Shri Bhagwati Machine Private Limited, an ISO 9001-2000 certified company, is a name to recognize in a field of stone processing machinery in India, located in Ajmer, Rajasthan. With successful supplied more than 2000 machines, Shri Bhagwati Machine Private Limited is not only one of the largest manufacturing of stone processing machinery, but also a preferred supplied company to the stone marketing giants such as RK Marbles, Bhandari Marbles, and many more. Shri Bhagwati Machine Private Limited (SBMPL) dedication to the quality, high-tech manufacturing, and its track record in this field has won many laurels in domestic as well as in international arena. The saga of SBMPL started in 1995 with a unit set up for tool processing manufacturing machines. But today, company manufactures stone processing machinery. It employs highly advanced technology so that their product meet national and international standards demanded by the market. In its strike to grow, SBMPL has become a diversified company today. Apart from being producing best stone processing machinery, SBMPL also produces EOT cranes, giant cranes, and hoist cranes.
Shri Bhagwati Machines Private Limited started in 1995, and we basically started with the stone processing manufacturing machines, but now we have covered all the various manufacturing of stone cranes, handling machines, all machines related to the stone products. We have been famous in India. We are the leading manufacturers in India since 20 years, and now we have started covering the Arab countries, Turkey, Italian market, and the Southern American region. In future, we are developing wire saws, jam saw, which is the best products from the Italian company. We are targeting the Italian companies, and motive is also to get equalized these Italian brands in our stone product machines.
SBMPL is synonyms for international quality and product diversification. It is a true story of a David becoming a Goliath. No doubt, SBMPL name is perceived for quality and safety at national and global level. With its diversification and commitment to international standard and quality, SBMPL is most trusted name in the industry today. But for us at SBMPL, is no time for rest as many more milestones are yet to be achieved.